Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today we're gonna talk about should you buy the Redmi 5 Plus or not, coming right up. The Redmi 5 Plus is actually a great phone. Judging by the spec itself, it feels fast and fluid. With the MIUI help, it actually feels very fast and very fluid. And overall, this phone is actually a great phone. But I feel like this phone is a bit quite rushed out, and I will be expecting that. I think there's more products out there which is a similar price and better features, and I was expecting this phone to have AI capabilities, or if you planning to have like day-to-day use, this phone is good. You just gonna take a quick pictures and take a maybe just a normal day-to-day use, make a call, messaging, and scrolling through Facebook. I think this one is actually great. And if you're planning to have like AI capabilities, which is still new, like you can maybe go for the Honor 7X or maybe the Honor 9 Lite, which has quite similar pricing to it. And maybe the Honor 7X has is slightly bit pricier, but you can go for that version because it has AI capabilities and it has dual lens, and I was expecting this one to have dual lens as well, like one for telephoto and another one for normal camera. I think overall this phone feels great for normal day-to-day use, or maybe if you're not a photography type of person, this one should be fine. If you want to have more features and more like a dual camera capability, you can go for the Honor 7X. I think that is it, guys, and I hope this one helps you a little bit for making decisions when you want to get a Redmi 5 Plus or maybe the Honor 7X, because this phone price is a bit quite similar and the spec wise is a bit quite similar as well. I think that's it, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!